With partial quotients, remember, um, it's yes, you can do long division if that's what you know. But if you say, hey, you know what, I'm still learning my math facts, partial quotients allows you to be a little more efficient. So if we had 125 M&Ms, we're going to share with 9 people. So let's think about this. We know that 9 tenths, we could give everyone at least 10, so that'd be 90. So we still have 35 left. Well, 9 times 4 is 36. I don't have 36 to share, so I guess it'd be 3. So that'd be 27. Subtract there, I'm left with 8. So in other words, we could each give each person 13, and then we have 8 ninths left. Now, if the numbers are a little bit bigger, let's say we had 13 and we had 1,240. Well, right off the bat, hopefully we recognize. Well, let's think about this. If I did 13 times 10, that's only 130. That wouldn't be a very good way to start, right? If I did 13 times 100, that'd be 1,300, so that's too big. So wait a second, couldn't I start with 90? Because we know 90, think about that. 90 tens is 900, right? 90 threes is 270. So wouldn't that be 1,170? So again, if we subtract, we'd be left with 70. And then we'd have, well, 13 fives, 65. So we have remainder 5, so our answer would be 95 and 5 13ths. Now that's not the only way to do it. You could have done, by tens, you would have been subtracting a lot of times. Where you think, well, what's the largest value that goes into it, and then just take what's left. So hopefully that helps, gives you a refresh on partial quotients. And again, always be willing to ask questions if you're confused. Thank you.